What is Discord? How to use Discord. Parental control on Discord. Welcome to today's guide on Discord, a popular communication platform used by millions worldwide. In this video, we will explain what Discord is, how to use it, and for parents, how to set up parental control. What is Discord? Discord is a free voice, video, and text chat app designed for gamers, but widely used by various communities and groups. It's available on multiple platforms, including desktop, mobile, and web browsers. How to use Discord. Creating an account. Download the Discord app or visit their website. Sign up using an email address and choose a username. Or you can create an account by using email. Verify the picture. Now you are signed into Discord. You can create your own Discord server right here, or you can select from list. Customize your server. Your server is ready. See the full Discord application interface here. You will manage everything you want to. Learn the basics: servers, channels, and DMs. Direct messages. Customize your profile and notifications in the settings. Send text messages in text channels. Servers have roles with specific permissions. Admins can customize and manage roles. You can explore the full Discord right here. Select Explore Discoverable Servers. You can join servers here. Select the one you want to join. You will be greeted with the welcome screen. Click on Join at the top of page. You have to complete following steps. You have to verify email if you are new at Discord. Click Continue to Discord. You are back to Discord. Click on ticks that you agree to rules and roles. Click Submit. Now you have joined a server successfully. Discord is a user application that is used by gamers inside or outside. And it is also used by other local communities. You can find everything here. From your server to join server. You can see your join channel here. You can discover many other channels and explore parental controls on Discord. Discord provides several features for parents to ensure a safer experience for their children. Go to My Account. Select Privacy and Settings. You can adjust who can send friend requests and direct messages to your child. You can see all the settings about the messages. Select the setting according to you. Do what you want from messages. Also, you can do setting of your server's message. Done with messages. Now go to Friends Request Settings. You can select whoever sent you a request. That's how you can take care of your child activities on Discord. Thank you for watching this guide on Discord. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative content. Stay safe and enjoy your time on Discord.